You're watching Tap Tech, the place where we make tech easy to understand. We review the latest gadgets so you can see if they're really worth your time and money. Today we're talking about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro and whether it's the best drone for creators and professionals right now. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is built for people who want top quality aerial photos and videos with a drone that's powerful but still portable. DJI designed it for filmmakers, photographers, and hobbyists who want the best image quality without carrying huge equipment. The design is sleek and foldable, just like past Mavic drones. When folded, it's small enough to fit into a backpack. But when unfolded, it feels solid and ready for serious flying. The arms lock firmly, and the build quality is excellent. It's made from lightweight but strong materials, so it can handle wind and regular travel without damage. The camera is where the Mavic 4 Pro really shines. It has a large 4/3 CMOS sensor developed with Hasselblad, giving you stunning detail and rich colors. You can shoot up to 6,000 video at 60 fps and take 20 megapixel raw photos. Dynamic range is excellent, so both shadows and highlights look great. Low light performance is much better than before, with clean, detailed images even at sunset or in dim light. The gimbal stabilization is incredibly smooth, keeping footage steady even in windy conditions. You can also shoot in 10-bit D-Log for professional color grading or in HDR for vivid colors straight out of the camera. There's a variable aperture from f2.8 to f11. You can adjust for different lighting conditions without ND filters. Flight performance is strong. The Mavic 4 Pro can fly for up to 40 minutes on a single battery, which is a big improvement over earlier models. It has a top speed of around 72 kilometers per hour in sport mode and holds position steadily even in stronger winds. The new O4 transmission system gives you a live feed up to 20 kilometers away in 108op, with almost no lag. Safety features are top tier. It has obstacle sensors on all sides, using DJI's new advanced pilot assistance system to detect and avoid objects smoothly. It can fly around obstacles instead of just stopping, which makes flights safer and smoother. The intelligent flight modes make capturing great shots much easier. You get Active Track 6.02, follow subjects, point of interest for smooth circles, around a target, and master shots for automatic cinematic sequences. There's also a new cruise control that lets you fly in one direction at a steady speed without holding the stick, which helps with smoother shots. The controller is comfortable and has a built-in high brightness screen, so you don't need your phone if you don't want to use it. The DJI Fly app is clean, simple, and gives you full control over camera settings, flight modes, and safety features. The battery charges in about 1.5 hours, and you can carry spares for longer flights. DJI also offers a FlyMore combo with extra batteries, propellers, and a charging hub, which is worth it if you plan to shoot often. For price, the Mavic 4 Pro is a premium drone, sitting above the Air series, but below the Inspire line. It's not cheap, but for the camera quality, flight time, and safety features, it's worth it for serious creators. The pros are clear, amazing image quality, strong flight time, excellent safety, and professional features in a portable body. The cons are that it's expensive, not as small as ultralight drones for casual travel, and overkill for someone who just wants simple hobby flying. Overall, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is one of the best drones available right now. If you want cinematic footage, reliable flight, and a camera that competes with professional gear, this drone is hard to beat. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and honest tech reviews every week.